Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best juicers. So let's get started. Number 7. Omega Ultimate Juicer. The Omega Nutrition Center may have a larger footprint than vertical juicers, but its unique design gives it an edge over the competition. This machine extracts the juice twice, once during the crushing process, and then again from the pulp. It can easily tackle tougher fruits and vegetables and produces a delicious cup of juice, according to our tester. "All the juice I prepared tasted so good, I drank it on the spot," she said. Plus, it operates at a slow 80 RPM, keeping the heat down and the nutrients intact. This product also does so much more than juice. Thanks to a range of attachments, it can also be used to make nut butter, to grind coffee or spices, to mince herbs, and to extrude pasta. Number 6. Zulay Premium Quality Metal. Extracting citrus juice can be challenging. This squeezer has separate sections to fit larger and smaller fruits, and is simple to use, clean, and stash away in your kitchen drawer. Made from coated aluminum, it's incredibly sturdy and dishwasher safe. This squeezer extracts more juice compared to hand squeezing or using a reamer, and it catches most of the seeds, although small ones can sometimes slip. Plus, some online reviewers also reported that pulp slipped through into their drink on occasion, too. So, depending on what you're making, it might not be a bad idea to juice over a fine mesh strainer. While this juicer is sold for juicing lemons and limes, it can handle small oranges as well. Number 5. Breville Juice Fountain Compact. Small and affordable, this centrifugal juicer from Breville is a great value pick. It has a large feed tube that can handle a whole apple, so you won't need to cut your fruits and vegetables into small pieces before juicing. It's also very powerful for its size. Our tester agreed. "My juice was perfectly smooth, pulp-free, and yes, delicious," she said. You might not even need to use the included pusher, except to cover the top to keep the juice from splattering out. If you're a fan of green juices, keep in mind that this model doesn't do as well with leafy greens as some other models. The manufacturer recommends bundling leafy greens to extract more juice and feeding them into the juicer in between firmer produce, explained our tester. Number 4. Hurom HAA Slow Juicer. The Hurom Slow Speed Masticating Juicer operates very quietly, sending juice out one chute and pulp out another so you can juice continuously. It rotates at 43 revolutions per minute, which simulates the effective speed of hand juicing. The pulp chute can be set to allow more or less pulp in the finished juice, and a safety lock system keeps the juicer from starting unless all parts are properly installed. This juicer handles hard or soft fruits and vegetables as well as leafy greens with ease, though some online reviewers noted that it wasn't as effective if you didn't cut your vegetables very finely. Number 3. Breville Juice Fountain Cold. This updated and well-built juicer features quieter operation and an extra-wide whole fruit feed chute. The juice isn't chilled, but the cold in the name refers to the cold spin technology and a micro-mesh filter that reduces the amount of heat transferred to the juice. It's also easy to operate, with a single switch that controls the speed and power switch. The low speed operates at 6,500 RPM, and the high speed operates at 13,000 RPM, which more than satisfied our tester. It's so powerful that I could even feed it pineapple spears, the skin still on, with no problem, she raved. Number 2. NOVIS Vita Juicer. Most juicers are designed for juicing hard fruits and vegetables, but the NOVIS also has an extra attachment for reaming citrus fruits, which can be great if you need enough juice for a lemon meringue tart or a key lime pie. This centrifugal juicer is quiet as a slow-speed juicer when juicing hard and soft fruits and vegetables. It can produce both nearly pulp-free or pulpy juice depending on your preference. The basket with the shredding teeth and strainer comes apart to make cleaning easier, but some online reviewers maintained that it was still difficult to clean. There's only one switch for on-off operation, but the juicer automatically senses the speed required for the food you're juicing. Number 1. KitchenAid KSM1JA. For those who don't want another appliance clogging their countertop in addition to their KitchenAid stand mixer, the masticating juicer attachment from KitchenAid is worth considering. While not as large or powerful as standalone juicers, it comes with 3 different pulp screens so you can choose how thick you prefer your juice. Because it has a small feed tube, you'll need to cut fruits and vegetables down to size, and if you're doing a lot of juicing, you might need to stop and clean the filter screen when pulp and seeds build up.